Broadband is the lifeline of a modern economy. Studies show that a 10% increase in internet penetration leads to a 3.2% rise in GDP growth. The National Broadband Mission 1.0, launched in December 2019, witnessed initiatives like the launch of the centralized right-of-way portal and successfully coordinated with all stakeholders to majorly align the right-of-way policies across different states and ensured speedy disposal of right-of-way applications. The learnings and experience of working with different stakeholders helped shape the new right-of-way rules under the Telecommunications Act, 2023. The NBM 1.0 saw significantly increased broadband subscribers from 66 crore to 94 crore, increased average monthly wireless data consumption from 10 GB to 21 GB per month, increased mobile broadband speeds from 10 Mbps in 2019 to 100 Mbps, and length of optical fiber cable also grew from 19 lakh route kilometers to 41 lakh route kilometers. The NBM 2.0 builds upon the strengths and experiences gained from the NBM 1.0, aiming to propel India into a new era of digital transformation and global competitiveness, aligning with the vision of Viksit Bharat. Its primary vision includes extending operational optical fiber cable connectivity to villages, ensuring broadband connectivity to anchor institutions such as schools, PHCs, Anganwadi Center, and Panchayat offices, enhance fixed broadband speeds to 100 Mbps, enhancing ease of doing business by further reducing the right-of-way application average disposal time to 30 days, increase the number of rural internet subscribers, achieve the target of powering 30% of mobile towers with sustainable energy, work on enhancing the usage of the Call Before You Dig mobile app to protect underground telecom infrastructure. Today, as we release the NBM 2.0 vision document, we are poised to take a giant leap forward. The mission's commitment is to bridge the digital divide and ensure that every citizen, from remote villages to urban centers, has access to high-speed broadband and meaningful connectivity.